This here is an OTG adapter, and basically it allows you to use USB accessories on your phone. So at this end you have a USB type C, and at this end you have USB type B. So I can plug this on my phone, and this basically allows me to use any accessory that is powered by USB with my phone. For example, USB sticks. Another good example is a mouse like this one. As you can see, I have a dongle here, and this is a wireless mouse. When I turn it on and plug in my USB dongle, you can see that I'll be able to use the mouse on my phone here. So basically, this allows me to do anything and everything on my phone using a mouse like this. And this does not only work for a mouse. For example, I can also use my keyboard here to type on my phone. This is very helpful because I often do Termux videos on my phone, and this allows me to not use the phone keyboard, which will take half the screen. So that way I can be able to rotate my screen and be able to use the entire screen for my Termux videos. So this thing is very useful. It makes my Termux videos better. Another thing you can use it for is this here. This is a PlayStation 2 controller, and it's using USB, so I can't use it with my phone normally. But with the OTG adapter, I'll be able to plug in my controller and do some light gaming on this phone. This also works on iPhone 2. As you can see here, I've got a lightning cable to USB adapter. Basically, this will allow me to do the same thing here, but on an Apple device rather than an Android phone, because the phone I'm currently using is still using this outdated lightning cable instead of USB type C. So if you want to buy these, I'll leave links in the description down below. With that said, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.